In this video, we're going to take a look at what we can take a look at through the ArcCatalog of shapefiles. Now we're going to let's go to folder corrections. From there, let's go to BGT administrative areas. Let's take BGT administrative area 1. So let's open it from here. Administrative area 1, here we go. Now we have the contents. Let's go to preview, and in preview, as you can see in the right corner, whenever I move my mouse along, you'll see here the coordinates are given, which means the shapefile is georeference shapefile. So it is not just a Photoshop or a JPG image. It is actual. This shapefile is representing an actual place in the world. That's why it has a coordinate systems. So the file is actually georeference. We're going to look at how you can georeference your shapefiles in ArcGIS in the later videos, but as you can see, this means that this is georeference. Okay. Now what else we can do here is we can use the I button as same as the ArcMap software, and now if I click on any polygon from this shapefile, it is going to give us the information of that polygon that is in the attributes table. So that is how we can see that there as well. Okay, and if we change from geography to table, as we have seen before, we can see the attributes table through here as well in ArcCatalog. So these are the things you can do with shapefiles in ArcCatalog. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.